Magnetic lashes have been around for some time, but I haven't tried them till now. Today I'm going to try a pair of magnetic eyelashes here on my channel. So if you're someone who hasn't tried magnetic eyelashes but are interested in knowing if they work and if they are easier to apply and if you should get a pair, then just keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautethical. My name is Archana, and if you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed to my channel already, please take a moment to do that right now, and then let's get into this video. I'm very thankful to BelleChloe who has sent me these pair of magnetic eyelashes for me to try. So this is not a sponsored video. They've just sent me the lashes to try and review it for them because this is a new launch for them as well. And the first question that I asked them was, is this product cruelty free? Because as all of you know, I only do cruelty free products and brands on my channel. So that was my first concern, and this is the reply that I got. She said the magnetic lashes made of artificial fiber which we don't use and test it on animal experiments, so no worries, it's a cruelty free product. We haven't retailed the product in China because we are mainly targeting the US and European market. So this is a cruelty-free product and I'm really excited to try this on. So let me just quickly open this up. I haven't opened it yet and I don't know how the magnetic lashes look, so I'm very curious to see. Wake up and makeup. That's how the box looks. This is how we sent it. And there's another box inside this. So they've packaged it like really well. And there. Hello lash lover, magnetic eyelashes. So that's the box. And let's read what they've written. Magnetic eyelashes enhances your natural lashes with our patent pending micromagnetic technology to create lashes that look long, thick and luxurious, yet undeniably natural, all without glue and adhesives. Available in a variety of glamorous styles, our safety-tested design flawlessly fits any eye shape, making it the perfect solution for people of all ages and ethnicities. Wear your magnet eyelashes anytime, day or night, to look your best for every occasion. So they have a couple of styles. I think they have 4 or 5 styles. And the style, they asked me what style I want before sending it to me. So let me just check what style I ordered. So this is how their website looks. They have pre-cut magnetic lashes. So there is natural, there is everyday, there is double demi wispies, there's dramatic. I obviously ordered for dramatic. So let's see how this goes. So this is how it comes. This is a plastic case and they look lovely. So they have a mirror and then they have these eyelashes. I love how they've packaged it. There's glitter in it. It just looks amazing. So let me just give you a closer look. So they've defined which one is the left lash, which one is the right lash, and they have like 6 smaller lashes which are supposed to stick to the magnet from below, I suppose. So they have defined what is bottom left, middle, bottom right, bottom left, middle, bottom right, both for left and the right eyelashes. So I really loved how it is packaged and I really love the box. And they have a couple of things in here. They have an applicator, so that's the applicator and it looks very cute. I really love this color, so that's one. And they have a small instruction leaflet kind of a thing. So applying with the applicator, let me just, and they have images at the back. So they have given instructions applying with the applicator and there are images at the back on how to apply it. So hold the applicator horizontally and connect each end of the top lash strip to the upper prong. Connect the 2 bottom lash strips to the lower prong. Both 2 lash strips should curve upwards and must be aligned. Hold your applicator so the prong with the top lash strip hovers above your upper lash line and the prong with the bottom strip is underneath. Press the prongs together to connect the magnetic strips. They will instantly fasten around your eyelashes and then quickly release and remove the applicator. Now your lashes are secure. So that's the plastic part that comes out, and I really love the glitter that they've put in the box, and the box is like really sturdy. It has a proper full length mirror in it, like as much as the box. Only thing is it doesn't open out more. It should have probably opened out a little bit more. That's the only thing that I can think, but otherwise this is like really good. And this glitter thing is actually also holding the magnet, so it's not going to just fly away when you switch on the fan or anything. So that's another thing that I like about this. I really love how it has been packaged. I love the look of it. I just hope that this thing works. Fingers crossed, because I really have a tough time sometimes with the lashes. One lash is so easy to apply, the other one, it just doesn't want to stay. So if this thing works, then it's going to be amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the applicator for one side and I'm going to use my hands and fingers for the other side and see what works better. So I'm just going to zoom you guys in so that you have a closer look while I apply this, and I'm not going to talk in between. Let me just concentrate and figure this thing out, and then we'll talk about this further. So this is how I have placed it on the applicator. I'm going to put the lash like this, so the lash should be in line with my original lashes and the lash band should be on the inside, and also make sure that the shorter length of eyelashes is on the inner corner and the lower length and the longer length of the eyelashes is on the outer corner, and the same with your lashes which are going to be on the bottom. So they've given 3 separate lashes for the bottom. It's not a strip, these are like individual kind of lashes. I don't know if you can see here, but there are 3 separate lashes, and these are not going to be the bottom eyelashes. These are going to stick to the top lash itself. So there's a magnet strip on top with 3 magnets, one in the inner corner, one on the outer corner and one on the middle. And for the magnet to stick, there are 3 individual magnetic lashes below that, which is going to be on the top lashes itself. This is not the bottom lashes. So I'm just going to cross my fingers and hope that this thing works. Let me just take a closer mirror. So they did stick, but this has like come off on the outside. I just need to adjust it. I will adjust it with my hand. Can you see that sticking out? I don't know from what angle you'll be able to see, but that is sticking out from the inside. So I'm just going to take that off. So let me just try it with my hand only, because the entire thing has come out. I think this is going to be easier with the hand, because with the applicator, I think it's going to be a little bit difficult. So I'm just going to place it like that. And one by one, I think if you apply it one by one, that's when it's going to be easier for you. You can even take a tweezer to help you. Just don't poke your eye with this. It just fell down on my clothes, and all I had to do was go onto my clothes with this, and I could find the lash, which normally doesn't happen in case of normal regular lashes. So this is the last bit that I need to put now, and I'm just going to press this in place. I think I'm going to use this hand for this and this. It's actually a little difficult to show you guys and work on it at the same time. So can you see that? This is actually making sure that the inner and outer corners stay in place. With the glue, sometimes either the inner corner or the outer corner just sticks out. That's something that I don't think is going to happen with this. And I love how they have created like 3 different individuals for the bottom part and not just a strip, because it actually makes it very easy to apply with the hands. I don't think the applicator is going to work much because it's just going to create a confusion. So I suggest that just put the top lash on top of your lash line and just press it with one finger in place, and then just take the lower individual lash close to the magnet and it'll stick automatically. You don't have to do much. So the first time I had to figure it out a little bit, and let's just do it the second time, and that should be easy. So the eyelashes are on, and these are really pretty. They are really giving good volume and length to my original lashes. So for me, I think I should not have applied a mascara because I don't want to spoil these eyelashes. These can be used for a very long time till the magnet stays. So from next time onwards, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to apply any mascara, and I'm just going to apply these lashes on. Before applying the lashes, I am definitely going to brush my original lashes with a clean mascara wand or a transparent mascara, so that any powder or any eyeshadow that might have gone onto the eyelashes is gone, and then they merge together very well. So if I look at these lashes really up close, from this inner corner I can make out that there is something here, but the lash is not coming off. It's just that the magnetic piece is shining very slightly, and I really can't make out that there is a band to it or there's anything else. Just this corner, maybe I haven't applied it properly. I definitely need to apply it a couple of times to be perfect with this. These lashes, they're not like, they don't feel heavy or they're not poking my eye or anything. You can't make out the lash band. Very slightly on the inner side, the metal is shining a little bit. I think I was a little scared of going too close to my eye with the metal part. So I think that's what, because this eyelash I had applied first, so I think that is what it is. I think after a couple of tries, I will be able to perfect this properly. The first time itself, I did not face a lot of problem. I remember the first time I tried gluing false eyelashes onto my eyelashes, it was a disaster. So this is a lot better. It may also be because I already know how to use the eyelashes with the eyelash glue, so that might be one aspect to it. But if you ask me, these are definitely much more simple than the regular glue eyelashes that you have a lot of problem applying. So my final thoughts on these magnetic lashes are that they have a beautiful packaging. They come in a very beautiful box. I really love this. I love the mirror. I love the glitter. I love how each and every portion is covered with plastic, and also the fact that this itself is magnetic, so the eyelashes will not fall off from the box even if you keep it open without the plastic. So that's the packaging part. Coming to the eyelash itself, I really love how they look. I really love the style. I really love how they have applied. I love how it's looking on my face. It has really given that extra volume and length to my original lashes. The only downside of this that I can see is that if you have applied 2 of the magnets properly and the third one has not been applied properly, if you want to remove it, the whole lash will come off. You'll have to redo the entire thing again. But that's better than doing a glue lash, because the glue gets all over the place, then your eyeliner spoils, everything else spoils. So if you have to redo this entire thing, nothing spoils. So that's the best part about it. And I feel it's relatively easy to apply. This video is not sponsored, only the product was sent to me. These are my own thoughts. Now coming to the price point, these lashes are $22.99 on their website, and they have, I think they keep having some discount or the other going on. So right now there's a 20% discount that is going on, and there are two methods of shipping. One is free and the other one is $5.99. So the price point, I feel, is on the higher side, to be very honest, but I'm sure the magnets and everything that they have done and the packaging, everything that has been done justifies. And plus I feel the magnets, if they work for a very long time, they are going to be really worth it, because a false eyelash which you need to apply with the glue, you have to purchase the glue as well. Just one eyelash is not enough, you have to keep repurchasing the glue. In this, you don't have to repurchase the glue. So that is one. The other aspect to that is that these eyelashes, if you take care of them and if you don't apply mascara, you take care of how you apply the lashes, you won't have to clean it as much, because there's no glue to it, there's nothing. If there is no mascara, even if there's a little bit of eyeliner on the magnets, it doesn't matter. Just take a dry cotton swab and just like clean it. That is what I've been thinking of, how to clean these eyelashes. So I think just taking a cotton swab and rubbing it on the magnets will do the job. Just keep it on a cloth or a dry tissue and just take off whatever eyeliner is there. There is no glue, there is no stickiness, there is no mess around it. So that's the best part about it. And another thing that you can do with these eyelashes, if you don't want to use the strip lashes, you can just cut them up in 3 different individual lashes, and you can use whatever parts you want. You can just stick the outer corner and the middle if that's what you want, or just shorten them up and keep the lashes till the magnet is there, and then the lashes will automatically become shorter and you can just stick them closer together, more towards outside of the eye. And if you don't want to cut out the strip magnetic eyelashes, what you can do is, if you just want to enhance the outer edge of your eyelashes, you can use the bottom 3 individual lashes that are given to you. You can use the most corner one and the middle one together just to enhance the outer corner of the eye. And trust me, there are many ways you can use these magnetic lashes. So be creative, use these lashes the way you want to and in a way that it suits your eye. So yeah, I think all in all, I have loved these eyelashes and I'm going to continue using them, and I think I will use more of false eyelashes now. You will see these eyelashes more in my looks, and as I use it more and more, I might be able to give you a little bit more feedback in my upcoming videos. So do stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Ring the bell so that you get notifications whenever those videos are out. So thank you so much for being here and watching this entire video. Thank you BelleChloe for sending me these pair of eyelashes. I really love them and I do recommend these magnetic eyelashes. The shipping is free, so that is something that you need not spend extra on. That is a plus point. It might take some time for those eyelashes to reach you, but at least you don't need to pay extra shipping. So on that positive and happy note, I sign off from this video. Do give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, or a thumbs down if you did not. And if you did enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so that you get notifications for all the future videos. And share this video with your friends and family if they're looking for magnetic eyelashes or a review of them. So thank you so much once again for being here. I hope you're having a great day. Here's wishing you a wonderful week ahead, and I will see you again very soon in another Cruelty video. Till then, take care. Bye.